Hello student. Now today we will discuss about the networking terminology. Inside the terminology, there are the different type of the things we use. One is internet, hypertext, hypermedia, intranet and hyperlink, bandwidth, URL, internet service provider, that is called the ISP, IP address and websites and web portals, and next is web page and home page and link and domain name systems. So these things are the networking terminology. So first of all, we will discuss about the internet terminology. What is internet terminology? Internet is a global wide area network that connect the computer system across the world. Across the world, it provide a variety of information and communications facilities. And next is intranet. Intranet refers to a computer network with an organization used to share file and resources of the organization securely. Example, the employee of the same airlines, they are interlinked with each other through the intranets. With the help of the internet, we can connect to each others. Next is bandwidth. It is over. Next is over. And now bandwidth. What is the bandwidth? Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transmitted in a fixed amount of the bandwidth. Bandwidth is used of the expressed in the bits per second as a bits per second, byte per second and kilobyte or megabyte per second. Next is hyperlink. What is the hyperlink? Hyperlink text is text that is spread up with the special features of linking to the other documents or web page. Means with the help of the hypertext, we can link the one document or web page also. Now, next is hypermedia. What is hypermedia? Hypermedia, it is a hypertext that include the text, graphics, sound or video. Means we can connect the text, graphics and sound or video. Now next is hyperlink. Now hyperlink. This is the hyperlink. Hypermedia is complete and hypertext is complete. Now the hyperlink. A hyperlink is an image, audio, video, graphics or text that connect one page to another page. With the help of the hyperlink, we can connect any type of the video, any type of the graphics, any type of the text. Okay. Now next is URL. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. The function of the URL is it denotes the unique address. Unique means different. Unique address of a web page or a website. Just like any type of the URL address, you can say a website www.wikipedia.com, या www.stmarys.com. So like this of the address it will provide. Next is ISP, Internet Service Provider. What is the ISP? ISP, these are the organization that provide internet connections to the user, and the facilities is provided to the customers in the exchange for a fee. Means this ISP is provide a internet connection, and we have in the exchange of the internet connection, customer will pay the fee. For example, suppose you are using the BSNL internet network, Airtel, Reliance, like this. Next is IP address. What is the IP address? IP address consists of a unique set of numbers which is provided to each computer by IETF, means Internet Engineering Tank Forces. It is a 32 bits naming address containing a set of 4 numbers which are tags from A0 to 225. Okay. Now next is website. What is the website? A website is a collection of related web pages containing images, videos or other digital medias, and identified with the same domain names, which is the address of the website. Now next is web portal. What is the web portals? Conventionally, a portal means a gateway or entrance. Web portal means conventionally a portal means a gateway or a entrance in the context of the World Wide Web. A portal can be defined as a gateway to a wide range of internet services, such as email is a search engine. Okay. Now next is web page. Most of the student knows about the web page. Web page is written using in the HTML and is stored one web server. It is a digital page. Web page is a digital page. Next is home page. When you will start any website, the first page you will see every type of the informations you can collect from the first page. We can say the information page also. It is, so we can say it is the first page of website. It contains the main information about the website along with the other information and other parts of the websites. Now next is link. In the data communication, a link or data transmit between the communication through the channels. They will transfer the data, they will transmit the data between one communication to other communication through the channels. That is called the link. Next is domain name. Domain name system. Domain name is a unique name is given to the website, each type of the website or resources connected to the internet. Domain name are easier to remember. You understand, domain name is easier to remember than IP addresses, since name as the strong and with the website. Example, google.com, Google in search engine, domain name is google.co.in. Okay, I think all the students are understand the networking terminology. If you understand well my explanation, so then please you like my video. Okay, thank you very much.